Hello guys, it's Saturday, but we're going to the school games, rugby games, yeah, for my nephew's game, play today. Nephew play today. That's why we're going to support and watch him play. Me and my hubby.
Babe, I'm not your hubby.
We're going with me and my wifey.
Don't mind my hair, it's not done, okay? I'm doing it when I get there. So don't judge me.
It's good. What judge me on that good. But guys, I tell you, I'm playing today at 1:40. Just my first game here in Australia. I'll give my 100% if they let me go in. To tell them, no, I'm the tough man. I'm the Samoan man. I'm gonna smash everything.
Okay, so we just finished Darnell's game and he lost, unfortunately, but he played really well. And you guys haven't seen us for a minute. It's been a while because we haven't been well. And seriously, we have been taking videos and vlogging, but we just haven't edited them and uploaded them online. Oh no, the battery's gonna die. Siaosi's playing rugby today, so we're gonna go home after we have breakfast. We're at the coffee club and we're gonna have our breakfast, then go home, charge the camera, then go out and watch Siaosi play. Are you excited to play, honey?
I'm gonna play tough and rough.
And are you gonna kick some ass? That's my food. And that's Aussie's food. He loves scrambled eggs. So we just finished Aussie's game and we're on our way to Bunnings warehouse. We're gonna go look for some tools for Aussie's work. And Siaosi played so well. I'm so proud of him. You did really good, honey.
Thank you.
Yeah, I was like so proud of him. I was like, go baby.
No, you didn't.
Yeah, I didn't. I was just standing there watching quietly. And I'm so sorry guys, we actually didn't get any footage, which Aussie was really upset about because the camera died and my phone died. So you guys didn't see him slam people on the ground, tackle people, gaga people.
Let me be like I want ya. Can I feel like I want ya? Distance between our bodies.
Yes, in Belconnen.
Oh, Belconnen.
Oh, Belconnen.
What about Kampala?
Just go to Belconnen.
Distance between our bodies. So much distance between us.
This song is dedicated to my family and friends, especially to my wife. She's gonna be more angry at me, but I do everything for her.
No, you don't. That is a big fat lie.
And I still make her happy.
How do you make me happy? You just give me headaches all day, all day, all day, all night, all day.
That's a liar, big liar, big liar. But guys, don't get that liar. We're here at Partney shop to buy some stuff. Coming here to Coles to buy some orange and some little stuff for tonight. We're gonna watch our sevens. And guys, shout out to our boys. Play well tonight. Boys, big fat malo to you guys. Cụ ấy lúc hôm phai mà để phai nem phai. Ông rồi vậy. Bù ấy ra luôn, chắc rồi ra luôn. Mà quậy số liu luôn á mga của cái. Good on you boys. Look, I'm so freezing. Guys, I'm freezing.
Are you freezing?
I'm so cold. Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, no guys, I'm so sorry. I'm apologize to you guys because it's a bad word today I'm saying, but now I'm so sorry. Don't mean to me. I'm not mean to you. This is my wifey. Look, she's smiling like a smile. Smiling like a smile. This is my wifey.
She's smelling like a smile. She's smiling. Cute.
Ah, shut up. This is my wifey. I love her so much.
Oh, hello.
Look, our relationship is growing so well. And I love you so much. Snuggle for it pretty. This is a beautiful orange. It's a yellow orange.
See these men with their color go fast. Go fast.
No, it's true.
Don't go fast.
He's a dick. Oh, point.
Oh yeah, point.